Hello, it's Mandy here. Today I'm shading a card I made using the new Angie girl called Daisy Girl, and I'm using my Prismacolor pencils just to colour onto Kraft card. I'm also using the colourless blender to blend the pencils into the card. I used two shades of yellow on the flowers, and I started on the outside with the darker colour and on the inside with the lighter colour, and used the colourless blender to blend them both together. Once I'd finished colouring with the pencils, I used a white jelly roll pen and went around the edges and the centre of the flower with some white detail. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!